Alright, step one, open up a driveway where we could at least pull the truck and trailer in. I got Curtis running with my steel with a steel blade on it, making a little room here.
Good on this side.
Oh, it's wet.
We're good. That's good.
I know we can wash.
Let me walk back there real quick, Kapper. They're
Right.
getting pretty lopsided there.
I don't know if there's a hole there or what.
I don't know. Pull up. Let me go walking first. I hate for you to
Yeah, that was
get it overturned. I don't know how much you can angle this way, but
I know, I can only go a little bit, but
all right, keep coming.
okay, here's the before look. We're gonna start back here behind this dump truck, or I'm sorry, tow truck, and I'll show you why. We're gonna try and start making a staging area because he's already got a few items sold. So what we're gonna do back here is Curtis is gonna start with that weed whacker with the steel blade. He's gonna start trimming this and leave anything like 1.5 inches or bigger. And I'm gonna start up in here and inside of that big tree and all back in here, and then this is going to be the first clearing so we could pull stuff out of here. So we're ready to roll. Here's the original house and property from an old aerial. Wow, that's pretty neat. Here's another one. The old family on the front porch back when it was a real house.
May try to track the family down if they've got some kin around here still and give them pictures to them.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. I don't think we'll get it quite that clean, but we'll try. Well, it feels good to be back in the excavator. It's been a while. It's too bad they're calling for rain tomorrow, but we'll get done what we can today. So I'm just clearing anything, like I said, 1.5 inches or bigger. I'm piling it, and then I'll push that pile off to the side somewhere, and we'll breathe some life into some of this trap stuff in here. So should be a fun day. Definitely stay tuned, and if you're new to the channel, welcome on board. Hopefully you hit the like button and stick around. We've got a lot more fun. We're going to be working on this all through the winter. I'm gonna have to knock that big old branch down up here. I just whacked it. get this tow truck freed up. The ones that are right next to it though, we're going to do them with a chainsaw because I don't want to damage it. Somebody's probably going to be buying this truck. But if they're a foot or two away, then I'll pull them out of there. I'm going to make a pile here and then I'm going to push it up next to this big tree here. First tiny little mini opening right here. I just realized there's a tractor right there. I didn't even see it. So I'm piling everything right up to that tractor. I don't think I hit it. I would have felt it. You could see it in there, just a little bitty headlight. So I'll have to make my pile out this way a little bit more. Got some jams going. That's a big one. I think I'll probably end up pulling that tractor out. Might be one of the first things we get out here in our new landing pad. Alright, our first command decision. I'm going to try to make a path here to get this tractor out so I can keep piling here in this spot. So I'm going to just clear it and then we're going to put a chain on it and see how it comes out. It shouldn't be too bad. I think the excavator's got plenty of juice to pull it. But we're gonna find out. I can't see where its front tires are. I don't wanna damage it, so maybe we'll try to get a chain on it. Right there where it is. There, I can see a little bit more. Man, this reminds me of that Stephen Avery heinous murder case that I helped out on. He actually, well, he murdered this girl, but they had a junkyard, and this is exactly what her car looked like when it was found. He had it buried just like this in brush, waiting to crush it. But the volunteer search party found it before he could crush it because he had to wait for the weekend for the rest of his family to not be there. I think I gotta switch windows here.
So you gonna move forward?
Yeah, I'll put the boom forward and we'll hook up and then we'll give it a whirl.
Okay.
Alright, it's gonna be interesting. Pretty good sized tractor. It's probably in gear and it's got the two skinny front tires, so we got as high on the frame as we could.
Not yet, no. Watch that drop off over there, Joe. Watch that drop off back there.
Alright, I'll take it slow.
Hey, you think get around from that angle and
Yeah, I could move it. I figured kind of get it as far out of the way as we can in case we start bringing other shit out. Unless you want this up in the front.
well, I was gonna say if somebody comes get that, if we can pull it back here, we can stack what we can right here where they can just back up to it and chain it on and get it out of here.
Alright, well let's kind of stack them in a row here where it's kind of like this.
Yeah.
And pull it up that way.
Okay.
Trying to pull the front end, trying to get this set so that when people come and pick these up, we can pull them up this little driveway that we're making. From the back end, which there's a bush hog on the back end. Just gonna kind of test this and see if the bush hog will hold the tractor or not. Looks like it will. Oh, briars. Yeesh. Here's kind of a midstream look. I'm separating the different piles, making a little progress. But now I'm trying to figure out what we're going to do with this. That's a good stack of tin there. We'll see if we can move it or not.